Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. If this is the first time setting call forwarding on the T74w, press this little button right here and you'll see number 2, it says forward to. You can put in an extension number or you can put in a cell phone number or whatever number you want it to be forwarded to. Press save, and now that little icon button with the two handsets together will be a toggle button to turn it on and off. Right now it's always forwarded, it's on, press it again, it's off, it won't forward. Toggle again, it's on, and you'll see the little icon on the top right of the screen as well. Now what if we want to change the number that it's forwarded to? We're going to go to menu button right here, and then we're going to go to features, toggle over to there, press the center button, and you'll see call forward right there. Press the center button again, and number 1, it says it's off right now. You can toggle on with that, but what we're going to do is push it again and arrow to the right or left to turn on or off. But what we want to do is change the forwarding number. So that forwarding number, you can put in whatever you want now. And this is how you're going to change the number from what you had it before. And press save.